rises, brain crisis.
I meant to die. It was tactical, guys. Die, respawn, repeat the shame.
Extract regret, dude, it's just a game. Like Modara said, you are not prepared. Solo queue life, bro, I never cared.
I'm fragging in my mind, leaderboard, yeah, 2 ranks behind.
Like the same.
I loudly claim every match is someone else playing. Better witness, I'm a madman. It's like Christmas when I pack mags, take a big ship and I crash land. It's like click click, then it's bang bang, clutch or kick. Now we vibe and slide, glitch the system, break the guide. Meme squad, roll call, loot bags heavy. I'm the Brian Lord, now get ready. My KDR plot, I'm a no cap. I got your number, death note on tap. I'm the salty pickle bitch, know my name. I'm uninstalling this fucking game.
Zone is eternal, never back down.
Evening, everyone, and I seem to be slightly lagging.